Hey everybody, it's Michelle. I hope you're having a really great day. Wanted to come at you today with a little video about meditation. So a lot of folks have been telling me recently how hard it is for them to meditate, and I completely understand that. There were many years of my beginning practice where I just didn't meditate because I didn't think I could. I really thought meditation was about sitting on top of a mountain, with my hands folded and just taking it all in and quieting my mind. And I could never quiet my mind, so I didn't do it. But the thing is, it's not about quieting the mind. Meditation is actually about finding that witness perspective, taking that step back and actually watching the mind. The mind's job is to think, right? The mind's job is to plan, is to dream, is to do the thinking for you. So you're not probably going to stop the mind from doing its job, but you can have a different relationship to it. And so today I thought I would take a few moments and teach you a meditation called mantra meditation. And the reason why this meditation is pretty key for folks with anxiety is because our minds are really busy. And it's really hard to just stop them from overthinking, from ruminating about the past or being concerned about the future. So mantra actually gives our mind something to do. Their mantra just simply translates to sounds or to statements or phrases that are either said out loud, and they could be chanted, they could be sung, or you can actually just repeat them in your own mind over and over again. You want to think about a mantra as a way to kind of bridge the gap, if you will, between, having this anxious thinking mind, wanting to meditate, and figuring out how to get there. Well, we're going to give the mind something to do. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and try it with me, you can, but what I'm going to do is walk you through the steps of it. And so what I do and what I teach folks, the very simplest thing is to connect the breath with the mantra. Because again, if you have two anchor points to focus on, your mind doesn't have a lot of time to be scattered off into the future or thinking about the past. So what you want to do is settle in. You want to find a comfortable seat. It doesn't have to be a fancy yoga seat. It doesn't have to be, perfect posture position. You want to sit up tall as you can, and you want to be able to relax your shoulders and lengthen the back of your neck, okay? Because you want to have a nice tall spine to allow the energy to flow. What you want to do is bring yourself to the present moment. So maybe you close your eyes and take a few letting go breaths, right? We've talked about those. Inhaling in through the mouth and inhaling in through the nose and exhaling a gentle sigh out the mouth, right? So maybe 2 or 3 of those just to bring yourself to the present moment. Then from there, what you can do is start to invoke the mantra, start to bring the mantra into your mind. And the one that I use all the time and that I teach pretty much every class I teach in yoga is on the inhale, I suggest you say to yourself, I am. And on the exhale, relaxed. So it'd be an inhale and you would say to yourself, I am. And on the exhale, you would say to yourself, relaxed. And the idea there is to just give the mind something to do and have it connect and anchor to the breath. Okay, so that's an option. You don't have to connect it to the breath. If you feel like letting the connection to the breath go after you get into a few moments of it, you might find that that's a little better for you, where you're just saying, I am relaxed, I am relaxed. What you'll find as you practice this mantra meditation is that over time, it'll actually become kind of ebb and flow with you. So it might start off first in the foremind, like the front of the mind, right, where you're thinking, specifically, I am relaxed or I am letting go, right? Whatever the mantra is that you choose. And then you might find that it kind of drifts into the back and you might not be paying necessarily 100% attention to it. So when you notice that happening, you can bring your awareness back to it. And again, if it's disconnected from the breath and that doesn't feel right, you can always connect it back to the breath. So I encourage you to give this mantra meditation a try. Maybe just set a timer if you've never done it before for 5 minutes or so. 5 minutes might be plenty of time to go ahead and try this on. And then see how it feels, right? Not every meditation technique is going to be perfect and resonate with you. Some meditations just aren't going to. But if you try this one on, it might be a good one to grab. Maybe if you're standing in the grocery store line and getting frustrated, or if you're finding yourself in an anxious moment in a meeting where you can't actually do anything but sit there and just bring yourself to the present moment, you might find I am relaxed, or I am letting go, or I am whatever the word is that best resonates for you, settles in and helps you. Okay, so go ahead and give this a shot and then let me know how you do. I would love to hear how you're doing today when it comes to this mantra meditation. Okay, have a great day. Good luck, and I'll talk to you soon.